basically the tip of the iceberg
Yeah.
is the anger.
Yeah.
Okay, we show the tip of the iceberg. It's a snatched emotion, and it's what we call a secondary emotion. What's really happening is underneath the iceberg, all the other feelings that are going on, fear, rejection, disappointment. That's what's going on underneath the iceberg. But we only ever show that grurness.
Yeah.
You know, and that's what's really juicy about working with anger is you get to see what's underneath the iceberg, and you get to work with all those other emotions.
For me, with my clients, I want them to be able to be absolutely transparent about what's going on for them. I want them to be able to feel their anger in the room and express it, obviously without physically hurting anything or anybody. It's important for them to give themselves the permission to just let it out, whether it's shouting, screaming, swearing. They have permission to just go there in the room. It's their space.
I mean, there is this kind of like train of thought, like anger is bad, and we must control it and we must manage it. Actually, we must incorporate it.
Absolutely.
We must recognise whether it's a good anger or whether it's a negative anger, and the why behind it, so that it becomes part of our repertoire and not all of our repertoire of our emotions.
Absolutely.
There's a lot of shame with anger, isn't there? There's a lot of kind of like, I mustn't, I oughtn't, I shouldn't. You know, but yes, you should, but let's find out where it's coming from and how you can use it in a positive way.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. And I think once somebody knows how to channel it in a positive way, it helps them release it without doing further damage to themselves or self-sabotage.